On March 4, 2025, Yemen's Houthi rebels claimed to have shot down yet another US-made MQ-9 Reaper drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle valued at over $30 million, over the Hodeida district in western Yemen. According to a statement from the Houthi armed forces, their air defenses successfully targeted the drone while it was allegedly conducting hostile operations in Yemeni airspace. This incident would mark the 15th MQ-9 Reaper downed by the Iran-backed group since the onset of their intensified campaign in late 2023, a period that coincides with the escalation of regional tensions tied to the Israel-Hamas war. The MQ-9 Reaper, produced by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, is a cornerstone of the U.S. military's unmanned fleet, designed to fulfill a dual role of intelligence gathering and precision strikes. Introduced in 2007 as an evolution of the earlier MQ-1 Predator, the Reaper represents a significant leap in capability, blending advanced surveillance technology with lethal firepower. Equipped with a sophisticated sensor suite, the Reaper carries a multispectral targeting system that includes electro-optical and infrared cameras, capable of tracking targets day or night in all weather conditions. It also features synthetic aperture radar for mapping terrain and detecting movement, alongside signals intelligence equipment that can intercept communications. This array of sensors feeds real-time data to operators, often stationed thousands of miles away in facilities like Creech Air Force Base in Nevada, who control the drone via satellite link. On the offensive side, the Reaper can be armed with a variety of munitions, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway-2 laser-guided bombs, and, in some configurations, GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions. Despite its technological prowess, the Reaper is not invulnerable, as the Houthis have repeatedly demonstrated. The group's campaign against U.S. drones in Yemen has intensified since November 2023, when they began targeting American assets in response to the Israel-Hamas conflict, framing their actions as solidarity with Palestinians in Gaza. The first reported downing of an MQ-9 Reaper by the Houthis occurred earlier, in 2017, when the rebels claimed to have used a surface-to-air missile to destroy a drone over northern Yemen. Another followed in 2019, with the U.S. acknowledging the loss but offering few details. The pace of these incidents accelerated dramatically in 2023, beginning with a confirmed shootdown on November 8 over international waters off Yemen's coast, an event the Pentagon attributed to Houthi air defenses. In 2024, the losses mounted. On February 20, a Reaper was downed near Hodeida, followed by another on April 27 over Sada province, where Houthi footage showed wreckage bearing General Atomics markings. May saw two more incidents, one on May 17 in Marib province and another on May 29 in the same region, both accompanied by Houthi videos of debris. September proved particularly costly, with the U.S. acknowledging two Reapers lost on September 8 and September 18, the latter in Marib, though the Pentagon disputed the Houthis' claim of a higher total. The campaign continued into late 2024 and early 2025. On November 8, 2024, videos emerged of a flaming aircraft crashing in Al-Jawf province, which the Houthis identified as another Reaper, though the U.S. military described it only as an ongoing investigation. December 28, 2024, brought a confirmed downing over Al-Baida Governorate, followed 4 days later, on January 1, 2025, by another in Marib, marking the 13th and 14th losses according to Houthi tallies. The repeated downing of MQ-9 Reapers over Yemen raises uncomfortable questions about the drone's role in the region and the broader U.S. strategy there. At over $30 million apiece, the financial toll of these losses, potentially approaching $500 million if the Houthi count holds, adds up quickly, even for a military with a budget in the hundreds of billions. More troubling is the symbolic cost. Each downed drone fuels Houthi propaganda and undermines the perception of American technological dominance. The Reaper's strengths, its ability to linger over targets and deliver precise strikes, also expose its weaknesses, particularly its reliance on an unjammed satellite link and its lack of agility against increasingly sophisticated air defenses. As the Houthis refine their tactics and weaponry, possibly with Iranian guidance, the U.S. faces a dilemma. Escalating airstrikes risks further entanglement in Yemen's complex civil war, while reducing drone deployments could cede valuable intelligence and strike capabilities. For now, the skies over Yemen remain a proving ground not just for the Reaper's resilience, but for the limits of American power projection in an era of persistent asymmetric threats. The frequency of these incidents in recent months suggests that neither side is backing down, leaving open the question of how long this costly aerial chess game can continue without a decisive shift.